Thanks, sir. Enjoy the ride. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Twoloosebricks Adventures, Bricksters and Lego friends. Don't forget your VIP ticket to enjoy all the fun right here in the amusement park. Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends and fellow builders. How you doing today? So today it is time for the City Amusement Park update. So let's get right at it. Here we go. So what have I done really lately in here? Not a lot here because I've been building a lot of buildings and stuff, as you know. The coaster that we had, the big white one here, the brick twister from last year, we decided to keep it where it's at here in the winter part opposite Diagon Alley. So trying to fit everything in, we came up with the idea of sticking Gringotts Bank at the forefront, putting Gringotts Bank sort of at the forefront of the coaster and having it as the main entrance for the ride. So you come through here, load up here, do the ride, and of course an exit. So this is inside Gringotts, the coaster. That was sort of the surprise I was coming with this, and we started to build some vaults here and stuff like that. So that's going to take a little bit of time to get done. Anyway, over here, this is the wall leading from Diagon Alley into Nocturne Alley. Now, Nocturne Alley is not really built. Right now, it's kind of an imaginary place. We just have a big kettle or brew pot, whatever you want to call it, sitting right there. But that's the little alley leading into it. We also put Hagrid and Harry down there at Diagon Alley when they're shopping for their supplies. And Hedwig is also along for the ride as well. So Diagon Alley is starting to fill in and take shape now on the display. So it's starting to look really cool and really good. Just behind that is Hogsmeade, of course, which we haven't done much to this part of the layout either. So it will come, it will get there, and of course over behind is Hogwarts. So the Winter Village is up back there, Santa Claus is there. We've added some, so I added 3 power remotes for remote controls of lightings and that. So basically what I've done is, as you can see here on this remote here, you can have all on or all off. SW stands for Star Wars, which will be the Star Wars projector lamp over on the side. So it's on off. The Thunder, which is the Thunderbolt and Lightning, on and off. And number 3 will be the hot air balloon once we get the mechanism put up in the ceiling. So going back to this, we'll press the Thunder and you'll see the Thunder light is right there, and it comes down pretty much all over this area of the Halloween Harry Potter area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go darken the room and we'll show you how this works. One light on so I can actually see what I'm doing here. And here we go. There's the light there. And let's see if we can get it down here. Yeah, we can get it. You can see it flickering there a bit all over the place. So it looks like thunder and lightning is taking over this area here. And it's kind of a sharp effect. Now that was a Halloween light that I purchased at Walmart for $29.99. It's really cool because it has the sound effects and everything built right in. Just have a listen. So that was actually a pretty cheap way to create some lighting effects in here. Got the remote up there, and we can just turn it on and off with the touch sensitive button here, and there it is, it's off. So no, other than that, here's pretty much a detailed scan of the whole amusement park and layout that I've been working on. Takes time, of course, but it's getting there. It's pretty big, takes up my whole garage and everything, so I got some mess in the back corner, just ignore that. But here we go around here. I'm just going to show you some other Christmassy trains and whatnot on the shelf, and that is the HO scale layout that we have here. My dad's trains down here is the HO scale stuff, so something he's been working on. Got to get back to it. But anyway, getting back to the actual Lego side of things, looking pretty good. Just got this put in. Now what I'm going to do here for the Gringotts is, like, down there it's very unstable at the base because of the sort of the angle that the sides are on. So rather than have a flat, having the flat looks just too blah. So having it on the corner like that, I'm going to have to put some jumper plates down on that base to raise it up to make it fit those sort of angles, and that should hold it in place there. But other than that, I think that's going to look good. So I'm going to flip around to the other side now and see what we can see over there. Forgot to mention one last detail. I just forgot to put it out actually, was I'm going to put mini Diagon Alley or micro Diagon Alley right in here on the back side of the Gringotts coaster. Not that it really fits, but I really don't have a place for it. You know, it could be like a kiddie's play place type of thing with inside there. So we're just going to leave it there for now. Give some fill in for the coaster, and I'll go from there. If you have any suggestions, let me know what I could do with maybe that micro Diagon Alley, where I could put it here. You know, because we're getting ready for Christmas now, and time is of the essence, sort of to say. And you know, the Christmas Lego is taking over here. I got some more builds to do for Christmas Lego. That has to go in here too. So I'm running short on space. But anyway, let me flip over to the other side now, and I'll show you what it looks like from there. Once again, from the front, we haven't really done too much to the Quidditch field yet. The second one has been built, and we're starting to build the risers up higher. Parts are in for that, so it's just a matter of time. So it will be done. It's looking better. Just time. Just time. Everything takes time, right? So we'll just see how things go. I just love this whole area that I've done here. A lot more to do to it, of course. And let's just take a look over at Gringotts now. Actually, that is pretty cool. It towers over the rest of Diagon Alley and Hogsmeade and everything. It looks really nice. Kind of hides that yucky part of the coaster. So yeah, it fills it in. It makes it look good. I think it'll work well. We just got to adjust that pillar there. And yeah, so that's looking good there. Any suggestions, like I said, let me know what you think. And there's what everything kind of looks like from this angle. And of course, everybody's favorite house elf, Dobby. Yeah, my favorite character right there, Aragog. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Add a lot of leafy green stuff to the top of that, so that kind of like filled that in a bit more. Looking good. May even add some more into that. Not sure what I'm going to do there yet. But definitely looking good. And see if you see the invisible Harry Potter down there somewhere in Hogsmeade. I see him. Do you? Uh-oh. Grindelwald is trying to escape over there. Someone better catch him. But basically, for the past few months, that's what I've been working on, was all the Harry Potter stuff. And it's taken a lot of energy, a lot of time, and a lot of building to get this done. I think it really adds to the display and looks good. And hopefully I'll be able to do a little more and keep it going. And we'll just go from there and see what happens. Space is getting very limited now, unfortunately. I'd love to have double or triple this amount of room. But, you know, you have to do with what you have, and that's just it. That's a fact of life. Everyone would want more room, and I think sometimes the more of the room you have, the more the room you want. So, yeah. And even Sorting Hat kind of frowns upon not having enough room for himself even. He has to share it with the Quidditch guys and the Deathly Hallows. So, you know, it's just the way it is. But anyway, there's sort of another view of Halloween Town and the ghost train and everything in there, and all the different characters out for doing their thing and everything. So, but it is coming along, and that's really the only update I have for November, because I just did a lot of building, not so much down here at the display, trying to get it done up type of thing. But hopefully we'll have more stuff done in December, and by the end of the month, just before New Year's, we'll be able to do another update, just to keep you guys all in the loop as to what is going on here. I like to do one at least a month, just to show you or let you know my endeavors here, and just to let you know that I am working at it, trying to get things done. Now I'm thinking of building also the Hogsmeade Station and the other one at King's Cross. Just don't know where the heck I'm going to put them, because I don't have any straight track except this part here on the outside. It may have to go somewhere else in here, and but I don't know. We'll figure this out. Like I say, I take all comments and suggestions in, evaluate them, and see if it's going to work on the display. So if you do have any, please let me know. I value everything I get from everybody. I try to answer as many comments and questions and stuff as much as I can. I'm planning a big Q&A coming up, because I've had a lot of questions over different videos over the past year, and I've kind of not answered them except on the actual comments themselves. I have answered them there, but I feel I owe everyone a video for that, so I will do that. So in the meantime, that's about it for me for this monthly review and update of my amusement park / city update, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care, and we'll see you very shortly. It's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.